everyone. Today I am super excited to talk about something that can completely change the way we create content. So, let me introduce Google Web Stories. We all use Insta Stories, WhatsApp status, or Snapchat stories daily, right? Now, imagine if these stories could appear on Google search. That's what Google Web Stories are. They are like Instagram or Snapchat stories, but built for the web, which means they are searchable, permanent, and it can even bring traffic to our website. So, the difference between normal stories and Google Web Stories are these stories aren't stuck in an app. As we know, normal stories are only seen in Instagram or Snapchat app, right? But Google Web Stories is out there on the web itself, which means people can find them on Google search, discover option, or even on Google Images. So, unlike WhatsApp or Instagram stories, they don't disappear after 24 hours. So, in short, Google Web Stories combine the best of social media and search engine. So, why should we use Google Web Stories? They are perfect for mobile users who want quick visual content. Unlike social media stories, web stories show up on Google, which is a game changer for our website's visibility. We can get more visibility from this. Plus, we can even earn more money from these by running ads. So, how does it work? They are built using AMP. AMP means Accelerated Mobile Pages. So, basically, AMP is an open source framework developed by Google. Its primary goal is to make web stories or web pages load faster and provide a smoother experience on mobile devices. So, these Google Web Stories are built using AMP, which means they load super fast and work great on mobile phones. Each story is made up of tappable slides with text, images, videos, or animations. Next, I am going to talk about the uses of Google Web Stories. In content marketing, we can use it to share quick updates, tutorials, or product highlights. It can be used for storytelling. We can share an interesting story or even in an engaging way. It can be used for promotions. We can show our latest campaign or product launch, and we can also use it for education purpose. We can make learning interactive and fun. Since they appear on Google, they reach a much wider audience than social media stories. Web stories help websites rank higher in search results. So, next I'm going to talk about what makes a story stand out. So, first start with something exciting. The first slide should get a better attention immediately. Choose a very interesting topic related to our niche. Create slides. Each slide should have a key idea or one keyword or a great visual. Use good quality photos and videos, and that can make all the difference. Keep it short and simple. No one likes too much text, right? So, next is to make it interactive. We can add buttons, links, or polls to keep people interested and engaged. Next, I am going to talk about the real-world applications. Businesses or startups can use these Google Web Stories to showcase their new product or service. Bloggers or content creators can make their content more engaging. E-commerce websites can also use these Google Web Stories to highlight their product collections. Even news and media can also use Google Web Stories to summarize trending news in a quick, engaging format. So basically, Google Web Stories are useful for anyone who wants to grab attention online. Next, I'm going to talk about monetizing Google Web Stories. We can run ads within our Google Web Stories and earn revenue. We can collaborate with brands for sponsored content. So, wrapping things up, Google Web Stories is a fantastic way to connect with our audience. We can grow our reach and even make some money. So next I'm going to discuss some questions related to Google Web Stories, which usually audience always has these such questions. So So the first question is, do Google Web Stories help with SEO? So the answer is yes. Google Web Stories appear in Google search or in Discover section so that it will help with websites to get more organic traffic. By using proper keywords or alternative text and engaging visuals, it can boost SEO performance. So the next question is, do Google Web Stories work on desktops? They are basically designed mainly for mobile, but they can still be viewed on desktops in a different format. So mainly Google prioritizes them for mobile users, but it's still visible on desktops. So the next question is, can we track the performance of web stories? And the answer is yes. We can track metrics like views, clicks, and engagement using Google Analytics and Search Console. So thank you all for watching this video.